Students 3 and 4 class. As you know, in previous video we studied about present indefinite tense. We are doing grammar, and in grammar we are doing present indefinite tense. In previous video we studied about negative sentences, and we did some sentences that how we will create negative sentences. I told you students about helping verbs and formal verb and structure, each and everything I told you. Now again students, I want to tell you that how many helping verbs in present indefinite tense. So there are two helping verbs. How many? Two helping verbs there are, and formal verb we use first form. Which form we use? First form we use. And I told you that when sentence is negative, so we use do and does helping verb, and after do and does we use not, because the sentence is negative. So we used do not and does not. So I told you that do not we use with plural and does not with singular. Students, we I told you there are 4 types of sentences. So we did just 2, and today we will do 2 types. So here I have written interrogative sentences we will do today. So it means interrogative sentences mean सवालिया फ़िक्रे. Interrogative, you know that it means सवालिया and फ़िक्रे. Students, in these sentences the questions is asked, and in the start of the sentence, Urdu sentence, there is क्या. Clear? Now helping verbs, you know that there are two helping verbs, present indefinite, do and does, and formal verb we use first form after do and does. So structure is same, just helping verb is changed, that we use helping verb in the start of the sentence when the sentence is interrogative. So here I have written do and does in the start, then plus first form object, and in the last full question mark. You know that is interrogative sentence, so it is we will put there question mark in the last of the sentence. So here for instance I written क्या हम अपना फ़र्ज़ अदा करते हैं. Here in the start क्या and in the last question mark. Why we put question mark? Because it is interrogative sentence. So here the structure is first we have to use helping verb do and does. So here we have to see that this sentence is singular or plural. So here hum is used here. Hum is plural, it means we will use here do we, first form, subject is we, first form, pay, object duty. Do we pay our duty? Question mark in the last of the sentence. Next, क्या तुम स्कूल का काम बाकायदा करते हो? Do you do? Students, here do तुम is plural, so we will use do. Do you do your homework regularly? In the last question mark. Next, क्या माली फूल चुनता है? Here students, माली is singular, and one thing more students, here there is used है and there is है. So the difference is that is plural and that sentence is singular. So we will recognize that there is है, so it means that is tense singular. क्या माली फूल चुनता है? Question mark in the last. Does the gardener pluck the flower? क्या वो मेरी बात सुनता है? वो is singular, here is है, that is singular. Does he listen to me? Clear students? Interrogative sentence is clear. Next we will do 4 type of sentence, negative plus interrogative. Students, in this tense negative and interrogative there is क्या and नहीं, both we will use in sentence. Clear? नहीं and क्या, both things we will use, and then we will create. Structure is do and does plus subject plus not. After subject, students, we will use not. First form plus object plus question mark. The pattern structure is same, just different is there, that it's after subject we will use not. So here क्या मरीज़ ठंडा पानी नहीं पीता है? I have written here क्या and नहीं. You can see here क्या मरीज़ ठंडा पानी नहीं पीता है. In the last question mark we will put does. मरीज़ patient is singular, so here does the patient, subject we used here, and after subject not, drink cold water in the last question mark. Clear students? We will not use here does not, we cannot use there, and just what we will use, does the patient not, after subject we will use not. क्या वो ख़त नहीं लिखता है? Does he not write a letter? क्या वो मुझे तंग नहीं करते हैं? Do they not tease me? क्या मवेशी खेतों में नहीं चढ़ते हैं? Do the cattle not graze in the fields? Clear students? That these sentences are interrogative plus negative. So here students, in this lecture we did just two types, interrogative and negative plus interrogative. So firstly you have to practice these sentences and then you will create maximum 10 sentences, 5 of negative and 5 of negative plus interrogative. Clear students? In this way you can do these tenses easily, and our present indefinite has been completed, and in next video we will start new tense. Clear students? As you know that we are going to start assessments in few days, and you will pick from office. If it is your parents' responsibility that they will prepare you well, and you will solve your assessments in the responsibility of your parents. Students, there is hard copy in office and you will pick from there one by one and you will submit in office. And one thing more, there should not be any difference between assessment and exams marks. There should be equal marks, otherwise you will not get good marks in assessment and exams as well. So you have to prepare assessment very well. Clear? Allah Hafiz.